Goats drink less water. Even then, 4 to 5 liters of water per goat is necessary in hot summer. Water troughs are kept with feeders in the paddock. In some farms, water tubs are kept inside the shed. Goats are given bath once in a week in summer and once in a month during winter. A mixture of lime powder and bleaching powder is spread on the platform and on the floor below once in a month. Then wash the platform thoroughly with water. Give whitewash to the walls at least once in a year. Put 10 ml of 5% formalin in 1 liter of water and spray thoroughly to the shed on all sides. Send the goats out while spraying formalin. All these steps maintain hygienic condition in the shed and thereby keeps the goats healthy. Pellet is the best manure. It has 2.4% nitrogen and 0.88% phosphorus and 1.99% potash. One adult goat produces approximately 500 kilograms of pellets in a year. Collect the waste fodder and pellets regularly and heap it at a distance. This manure may be used for fodder field or other crops. It has good demand and price.